We've all seen charities that resonate with us, but have you ever considered starting your own? Maybe you have a cause you're deeply passionate about, a need in your community, or an innovative solution that you want to champion. Well, guess what? You have the power to turn that passion into action by establishing your own charity. Let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we help form your company in a flash. Now you might be thinking, starting a charity, that sounds complicated and expensive. But fear not, it's actually more achievable than you might think. Plus, the rewards are truly fulfilling. Here's the breakdown of what you have to do. Step 1. Define your mission and goals. What issue are you tackling? How will your charity make a difference? Clearly define your purpose and the specific goals you aim to achieve. This will be your guiding light throughout the process. Step 2. Register your charity. There are different types of charities, each with its own legalities. And of course, you are free to research the value proposition of each. However, every year in the UK, more and more charitable companies limited by guarantee are incorporated because of the flexibility the structure offers over the alternative charitable trust, charitable incorporated organisation, and community interest company models. Here at yourcompanyformations.co.uk, we specialise in charitable companies limited by guarantee. We can provide you with the model articles, which you can amend to meet the guidelines required to be considered as a charitable company. Alternatively, if you have worked with a solicitor to draw up bespoke articles for your charitable company, we can file them on your behalf during the incorporating process. So, as everything is taken care of for you, you can start with the more pressing matters that require your attention. Step 3. Build your team and strategy. Surround yourself with passionate individuals who share your vision. Delegate tasks, establish a strong board of directors, and create a clear fundraising strategy to fuel your cause. Now let's talk about the benefits. Sure, starting a charity is about making a difference, but there are personal and professional rewards as well. Fulfillment. There's no greater feeling than seeing your hard work directly improve lives and your community. Networking. You'll connect with like-minded individuals, potential donors, and fellow changemakers. Skill development. Running a charity builds valuable skills in leadership, management, and fundraising. Potential recognition. Successful charities can gain public recognition and even awards, boosting your credibility and attracting further support. It's important to be transparent. While charities don't aim for personal profit, some operational costs are inevitable. Depending on your structure, there may be opportunities to claim tax relief on donations and expenses. Remember, responsible financial management is the key to ensuring your charity's long-term sustainability. If you're ready to turn your passion into action, don't hesitate. The need for positive change is ever present, and your unique perspective could spark a movement. Go to our page now to grab a charity package, or reach out to us through social media. A comment in the box below, or just give us a call and speak to one of our friendly team. Remember, starting a charity is a journey, not a destination. With dedication, planning, and the right resources, you can make a real difference in the world. And who knows, your charity might be just the change the world needs. Thanks for watching.